Hey folks, Institutions Innovation Council is hosting VIT-AP Hackathon 2K22 this month in our university. This is going to be a grand 24-hour hackathon in which winners will be getting a huge cash prize up to Rs 25,000 as well as some surprise gifts. In this hackathon, you'll be presented with 20 problem statements from which you have to select one. There'll be 2 rounds in this hackathon. In the first round, you'll present your idea of solution, and if it is satisfactory, you'll move on to the second round in which you put your plan into action. You should form a team of 4 people. The first round will be an online event followed by the second round, which will be conducted in offline mode. So friends, who knows whose work kicks off a project and becomes seed of the next great idea? So come join and experience the results of a real-time, interactive and innovative approach to problem solving.